Hi guys, good afternoon. Cruise Control Marks Garage. So guys, nag-install tayo ng auto fold side mirror dito sa 2024 Innova XE. So yan guys, naka-unlock pa yan. Ilalak natin yung side mirror, magpo-fold. Ayan, unlock, unfold. Okay. So same. Ito, susi. Ayaw yata na to. Ayun. Yan. So guys, no cutting, no splicing po stock side mirror po ang ginamit. Okay, meron din yung switch. Ayan. Check natin yung switch. Ayan. Pag pinindot, magpo-fold. Pag pinindot ulit, unfold. Ayan. So guys, no splicing po yan, no cutting, walang damage po sa wires nyo. Stock side mirror. Okay, dito lang yan guys sa Cruise Control Marks Garage. Yes.